Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Chuckie Finster from the Rugrats. We're going to get started at the top of our page with the inside edge of the glasses. So we're going to move over to the left side and draw basically a square. So we're going to start with a straight line going across the top, come down the sides with a straight line, and close off the bottom. Now we're going to leave a large gap in the center and do the same thing on the right side. So let's line up the top of that line. Draw two lines coming down to the same height as we have on the left. And then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add the pupils on the inside edge. So we're going to start on the left side with an oval. And we'll fill that in black. And we'll do the same thing on the right. In between the eyes, we're going to move to the middle and draw two lines for the bridge of the glasses. So starting on the left, we're going to leave a little gap on the left and right. Now we're going to work our way around the side of the glasses. So going up to the top, and then from the bottom we'll go down. And from the top we're going to work our way towards the left side. Go across on both sides. And we'll do the same thing along the bottom. Now we're going to come down the side of the glasses, but we're going to leave a gap in the center. Starting from the left side, we'll come down, and from the bottom we'll go up, and we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's add the arm of the glasses. We're going to go out with a straight line, and we'll close off the end with a straight line. In the center, just below the glasses, we're going to add the nose. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a curve going up, and then back down. Now on the sides, we're going to draw the nostrils. Two short angled lines going out. Directly below the nose, we're going to add the mouth. So we're going to start on the left side. We're going to curve down in the middle and back up on the right. On the right side, I'm going to draw a small bracket. Now in the center here, we're going to add the teeth. So on the left, draw a straight line. Same thing on the right. We're going to close off the bottom with a straight line and then split this in half, right down the middle. Let's draw on the bottom of the head. So from the corner of the glasses, we're going to step out, curve around, and we're going to pull that down towards the chin, and then work our way back up towards the right side, aiming towards the corner of the glasses, leaving a little space. From here, we're going to round out the ears. From this point, we're going to go out and curve that back in towards the side arm of the glasses. Let's add some detail to the inside of the ear. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a hook coming in. Now about halfway, we're just going to draw a short line going out. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's add a few freckles on the side of the face. Start by drawing 3 spots on either side. Now we're going to go to the center and draw the hairband. Starting from this point, we're going to step up, curve over that corner and down, and we'll taper that back up. About halfway down, we're going to curve down again. And then we're going to tuck this in behind the side of the glasses. Now we're going to draw the bushy hair around the head. Starting with the center, we're going to step up. On the left side, we're going to draw a straight line going up, go up and out towards the right, and go back up. Now I'm going to taper this back down with a series of straight lines. Now from here, we're going to work our way around the side. Let's start on the left side, go out, come back in, and then out. Now we're going to work our way back in again. Just tapering that line so it gets a little bit thicker as you come back down towards the face. Let's go to the right side. We're going to make this one a little bit shorter. We're going to go out and back down. Let's go back to the left. Going out, straight up, and then out towards the left. Then again, just working our way back down and getting thicker. Go back to the left side. We're going to start to go outwards. And work our way back in to right about there. And then go back to the left side. Now we're going to come down around the side of the head. Now we're going to come down around the ears. Now we're going to come down, out and down. I'm going to pull this up in behind the ear. Let's go to the right side. We're going to probably add 2 more on the side here. I'll add 1 more. I'm going to point this one going down and then in behind the ear. Let's add 2 more hair strands coming down in behind the ear. Start by going out, come down, and we'll do the same thing on the right. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down the body. I'm going to start with the sides of the neck first. So leaving a gap in the center, we draw 2 lines coming down, and we close off the bottom with a curve. Now on the left side of the neck, we'll curve out and then down. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll close off the collar with a curve along the bottom. Now in here, we're going to add 2 curves, starting from the top, curve down and out towards the left, and then the right. Let's draw the top of the shoulders. From the bottom left side of the collar, we're going to curve out and then down. And now we're going to move in and draw on the sides of the body. So from here, we're going to step in, curve out, and then down. Let's close off the bottom with another curve, coming down and then back up. Let's finish off the top of the shirt. Starting from this point of the shoulder, we're going to curve out, round it out, and pull that back in towards the side of the body. And we'll add the trim. Start from the bottom of the shoulder, we're going to come down and pull that in towards the side of the body. In the center of the body, we're going to add the Saturn symbol. Starting from the left, we're going to curve down and over towards the right. Let's draw on the top of the circle. We're going to connect those 2 ends with a curve. Now from these 2 points, we're going to round it out and then connect it with another curve. Now we're going to finish off the bottom of the circle, coming down and back up. From the corners of the hips, we're going to curve out, then down towards the bottom of the shorts. Let's round out the bottom of the short, curving down and in, leaving a gap in the center. Then from the inside, we're going to draw 2 short angle lines going up. And we'll overlap these 2 points, stepping out. We'll curve over those 2 lines. Let's add a pattern to the shorts. We're going to start up here. We're going to draw a curve coming down, step over, draw that same curve, and then close off the end with a straight line. Over on this side, we're going to draw a wave. Step in, draw that same wave, and we'll close off the ends with a straight line. Let's draw another one up here. We're going to angle this one out. Just curving out, step down, and draw that twice, and close off the ends. We're going to have one coming out from the side of the pant, curving across, and close off the end. Down here, we're going to go up in the opposite direction, going up, and we'll close off the end. On this side, we'll draw 1 more. Underneath the shorts, we're going to add the bottom of the leg. Starting from the left side, we're just going to draw a half circle. Do that on both sides. And we're going to add the cuff of the shoe. Starting on the left, just below the short, we'll curve around and pull that in. On the inside, we're going to go in the opposite direction. From the inside of the cuff, we're going to curve in and then down towards the heel on both sides. Now we're going to round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, we'll curve down and up. And then from the toe, we're going to curve up the top of the foot and down. Almost like drawing a half circle. We're just going to stop right about there. And at the bottom of the feet, we're going to thicken up the sole. So taking this curve, just duplicating it right up above it. And then from the left side of the shoe, we're going to curve out and down on top of the foot. Let's go in and add some laces. So about halfway down this curve, we're going to go in, round it out, and pull it down on top of the foot. At the bottom of the cuff, we're going to do the same thing, going around and then tucking that in. Do the same thing on the right side. On the outside of the shoe, we're going to show the lace just poking out. So we're just going to draw a curve, coming down and then back out. We'll round up the end, and then just follow that curve going back in behind the shoe. Now let's move up and draw on the arms. Right where the sleeve meets the body, we're going to curve out and then down. On the left side, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb. At the end, we'll draw a bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll go around the bracket, and go up, step down, curve out the second finger, and then the third finger is going to go out. We're going to pull that in behind the sleeve. Let's do the same thing on the right. On the second finger, and then the third finger is going to go all the way around, in behind the sleeve, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Chuckie Finster from the Rugrats. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.